Hey, what up, y'all? So, just in case you've been under a rock, you know, myself and Khadijah Grant started a whole publishing company. You know, we're both best-selling authors. I got my trophy back in 2016, and she's been collecting them since she started writing books, I believe. But anyhow, this is the point I wanna make in this video. We're actually gonna have not ride, write or die society club as well. So again, for anybody that want to continue to politic with me beyond my departure from social media, if you don't know, I've only been telling you guys since I was 27. At a certain point, around 31, I wanted to detach and get back to worrying about my own family. So a lot of those old ways that we used to keep in contact, whether it was Instagram Live, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, this, that, and the third, those routes of communication are soon going to diminish. And these are going to be another one of the ways that you guys can keep in direct contact with me and the team. And you guys can also continue to sharpen up on your writing skills. For everybody that's been interested in the publishing company, what we have to offer, this, that, and the third, here it is. And let me lay it out for you. So number one, again, this is going to be the Write or Die Society. So some of the benefits of this is you guys are going to actually be able to submit your writing samples. Great deal of you guys have a story. And I ain't gonna lie, if you don't have a story, and I don't mean per se a personal story, but if you're not creating an actual story that you could pass down generation to generation to, you know, give them some background on their lineage or where their family come from, you definitely need to be in this group because that is for sure a necessity. We're gonna have group feedback when you guys are submitting those samples. You guys are gonna be able to get clarity and redirection on writer's block. I know so many people I meet on a consistent basis that be like, bro, I know my story, I just don't know how to map it out. I know one of the biggest things I see Khadijah teach people as we're doing detoxes and help people write their books is tell me the name of it, Khadijah. It is the what? The 5 things they need to develop.
Most defining moments.
You need to develop your 5 most defining moments. And a lot of you guys, that's where you're struggling out at the gate. You know you've lived a hell of a life. Your shit's super crazy, super turned up, super rare. But you haven't even taken the time to really self-assess and figure out what are the 5 starting points to even get this story on paper, and then transition it to where it's in somebody else's hands and they can appreciate it, learn from it, love it, whatever the case is. We're gonna be having some writing do's or don'ts, and we're just gonna be using real writing samples. Again, like y'all know my personal opinion, experience is the greatest teacher. So when you join this group, we're gonna basically put you out there. We're gonna put you out there in the water, and we're gonna assist you in swimming your way back and making sure that you come out of this group a stronger writer. You're building with stronger writers. You're politicking and sharing intellectual property information with people who've done it, people who are trying to do it, and people who wish they could do it. And then you're also going to have a large group of people who are going to look right back at you and support your writing or your reading as well. To me, it's a win-win, honestly. And lastly, y'all, word count check-in. That is a major one. I'm going to be real, like, quick example I can give you, right? It's pretty hot where I'm standing at right now. So I could write a story and I'm like, man, it was really hot outside. Or I can tell you that the smoldering heat was keeping my eyelids from even raising to the top. You feel me? The word count check-in, the way you express yourself, the way you paint the picture so the person can actually feel like they were there in the moment. All those things matter. So especially for my writers, my wannabe writers, my past writers, my current writers, my future writers. For those of you who got a great story that you need to monetize, period, this is a group that you want to be a part of. A great deal of those things, and y'all gotta forgive me because it really is hot out here. I'm sweating right now. But a great deal of those things that you guys have been wanting to take advantage of with the publishing company, this is an all new, personalized, exclusive, and cost efficient way to continue building with the publishing company, continue polishing your skills, and get in direct contact with your boy, because hitting me up in the DM, email, social media, this, that, and the third is no longer gonna be an option. I'll see y'all in the group.